So the next one is how to draw the arc. If you here look at here, the next one that we have here is the draw arc, and again similar to the circle, if you click on the drop down menu, you are gonna have all those options that how you want to draw the arc. And again, depend on what you want to do, you may find either of these might be suitable, so you have to know what exactly you want to do. So the very first one is that you define 3 points of the arc, and then it's gonna draw the arc through them. One of them that we are using probably the most is this one that has the start, center, and end. So we define the start point, we define the center, and then we define the end of the arc. So this one has again a start, center, and angle, and you have different method. As I said, probably we use this one, a start, center, and the end, more than the other options. And uh, um, the way it works is that you go ahead and you, for example, it says that, look at here, it says specify the start point of the arc. So you start point, and then wherever is your center, so it tells you down here define the center, and so you define the center, and then said okay, where's the end of your arc, and then you can move your mouse and then define the end of your mouse and click there, and then it's gonna um, uh, draw the arc for you. There's one point, and particular if you use this method, is that is always going to rotate the arc and draw the arc counterclockwise, and it doesn't let you to do it the clockwise. So I will write here one more time. I'll show you what I mean, and then I give you an example. So again, if this is a start point and then it's the center, look at, if I move my mouse, the arc is drawn counterclockwise. There's no way that you can draw the arc clockwise, so it's always drawn counterclockwise. So anywhere I go, so it's going to be the counterclockwise. If I want to do it the other way, so I have to start, for example, if I and this one, let me show one more time. So this one, my start point is beneath of the center point, and look at that, how the end point is going to be. Now I put the start point on top of the center point. So if I put the start point here and the center beneath that, again, look at it, still is going to be the counterclockwise. Yeah. So but this time we can draw this the other end of that. So to show you how we will use them, let me give you an example. It's probably easier to do that. So if I draw a line, so I draw a line here, and then let's draw another one. So 25, and the same here, and then another line. Later on we'll learn how to do it with the copy, but for now I'll do it this way. So again, 25 here, and make sure the end is the same. So I don't want this one. So assume I have these 3 lines and I want to add the half a circle at the end of these 2 lines. So I will start from this end here and show you what I mean. So I click on the arc and it asks me to define the start point. So now if I start from the start point here, so this is my start point, and then I said this is my center. Now look at, when I try to draw, it's going to draw the circle here, but I want it on the other half, so it doesn't let me to do that. So to draw an arc from this point to here, so draw arc here, I have to go here. This time I have to choose the start point here, choose the center here, and then if I draw it, and then I can choose the end point here, and then it's gonna be there. The same here, if I want to draw a half a circle goes from here to here, I have to draw it in the I have to choose the start point and the center in a way that I have the rotate counterclockwise. So if I start from the top one, I cannot draw it, so I'll show you. So if I start from this top point and choose the center here, You see, it's going to draw it on this side. So if I want to draw it on the right side, I have to start from this point here. So I go there. This is my start point. This is my center. And then I rotate and I choose my end point and I click on that. And then it's gonna give me. There's you don't need to memorize it. It just remember that if you choose when you start it, if you choose the start point and the center, and you see the arc is rotating in the other direction that you want, just switch the start point. In either it's gonna be on top or on what. Just switch your start point, and then it's gonna be the problem would be solved. Just remember that.